Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Trump, in his latest move, has ruled out further trade negotiations with India. All this comes after he imposed a sweeping 50% tariff on Indian imports. Now this has further pushed US-India trade tensions to a rare low in over 2 decades. Trump says, "Not until we get it resolved, there won't be any talks with India." From 25% tariff to 50% tariffs, Trump has been warning India of its oil purchases from Russia. India has already called the move as unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India would keep its own interest first. He has also emphasized that he would do it even at the stake of his personal loss. Amid tariff threat from the US, India is receiving support from China. A Chinese ambassador has called the US a bully. This comes after Washington doubled the tariffs on New Delhi to 50%. The Chinese ambassador said that, "Give the bully an inch and he will take a mile." He criticized the White House without naming Trump. The remark is now being seen by some as expressing solidarity with India and Brazil, who have been at the receiving end of Trump's trade war. Last night, the India bloc leaders met over a dinner organized by Rahul Gandhi. Nearly 50 senior leaders of opposition-led India bloc gathered. At this event, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, made a presentation of the concrete evidence of alleged vote theft. Rahul Gandhi is accusing Election Commission of India of colluding with the BJP to manufacture its victory in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The detailed presentation by Rahul Gandhi was based on months of data analysis to spot alleged manipulation in the Mahadevapura Assembly segment of the Bengaluru Central Lok Sabha seat. Rahul Gandhi alleges that in this particular seat, over 1,250,000 fake votes were created. Russian President Putin held talks with India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. This meeting was held in Moscow. There, India and Russia stressed their commitment to a strategic partnership. This meeting comes a day after Trump announced 50% tariffs on Indian imports for purchasing Russian oil. And apart from this, Putin is expected to visit India soon by end of this year. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.